very intimately how they play the game, and I'm not going to be duped. I'm not naive. So, and when you hear the clamor, oh, he is now taking away the tender process because he wants to be corrupt. No, there's no way. All of them are cartels. They are lined up. They've been playing this game together. And sometimes it's not even played at the highest levels of the permanent secretaries. It's here, middle to lower down. By the time it gets to him for his signature, it's cooked. It's ready for dishing out. And he signs. And when things erupt, they say, President, fire him, fire all these people. Wait, that's not where you start. Let's deal with the systemic problems, and then maybe the firing. But if we fire this one and bring the next one, would we have solved the problem? Changing faces. This is what people are crying out for. Change the faces. How does that solve the problem if it's a systemic problem? The system keeps ticking away. Different new faces. You can't succeed with that approach.